Hello, everyone, and welcome to another FX Centrum daily market analysis. For today, I will go through our cross asset list. So I will cover coffee market, WTI, US 100, US 30, USD yen, dollar, peso, pound dollar, euro dollar, dollar index, coin, gold market, aluminum, cocoa market. And of course, I will use our FX Centrum platform for charting. I will begin with the coffee market. So what we have here on the daily time frame is that the copy market is still in the consolidation. I will see in the last couple of weeks, we have a very tight consolidation of trading range, and we have a resistance at 239.65 and support at 208.20. So I would like to see, and I'm watching for the breakout, potential bigger directional move. Is the downside breakout to 218.20, there will be potential drop towards 187.75. And in case the upside breakout of 204, there'll be a chance for a rally towards. Now the WTI, so this was our trading idea from yesterday. With, the idea for the stop around 82.47. The market held this pullback from sellers, nothing there, and there was a now natural reaction here. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. So there was this more like a doji candle yesterday around the upper pole, and but still, from my perspective, as long as the market can hold above this 82.47, 82.50, there is a chance for upside continuation because we had a breakout of this, I would say, 5 to 6 days consolidation. So there is still a chance for WTI to go 86, 87.70 mark. Of course, if the market will go and break the 82. So this can change the narrative and might see the rotation back into the trading range. But so far, market is still holding, and buyers are still in control at this point. On the US 100, we had actually an up day, and we're just look at the contraction on the Bollinger Band, so we can see here a very tight range. We have resistance at 20,170, and then we have a support around 19,470 mark. So I would like to see the breakout of this trading range in order to confirm a directional move. Yes, we have a short-term upside environment. The last months we have upside movement, higher highs and higher lows. So far, this is another consolidation slash contraction, which I'm waiting basically for a breakout in order to confirm for direction. In case the downside breakout of this 1,470, there is a potential chance then drop even towards the 18,000, 19,000 mark. Its upside breakout and hold maybe to 20,500 can be the play, and so on and so forth. On the US 30, have similar situation, the consolidation in the last, let's say, 7 to 10 days, resistance at 30, 39,600, like the resistance support around 38,098. So the breakout of the resistance can be a good potential good confirmation for the market towards 40,000 mark. And in case of the downside breakout of 38,098, there will be a chance for drop towards. On the USD end, what we can see is that market is really going alongside the upper Bollinger Band. We really have a relative strength. The USDN is relative strength leader, pair other currency pairs, and just trading around alongside upper Bollinger Band with have increased volatility here. No real sign of weakness. Market is just doing this natural pullbacks, and then buyers are coming in. Natural pullbacks just around the lower Bollinger Band, and then we have as market retook and had a rebreak of 161.70. So it's still going very well. And the next one, the next pivot from my perspective is around 160.50 and then 163 mark. You can see also stochastic position, stochastic oscillator. So we have we don't have any big gap between fast and slow lines. So it's going something, we have something like we had at these points. So going alongside upper Bollinger Band. And so for now, it's just buyers in control with a very few sellers at this point. Dollar Mexican peso is different because we have a consolidation support at 17.80 and resistance mark. Very narrow Bollinger Band to this range, and I would really like to see the breakout, either support resistance firm for direction of dollar Mexican peso. On the pound dollar, still we're developing trading range, so we can see resistance 712 and 1.2 support. Bollinger Bands are pretty narrow, so we have a contraction, and so far only the USDN is really a leader in terms of the strength, relative strength. And you can see that euro dollar, pound dollar, Mexican peso are just doing the consolidation the last few weeks, just oscillating around this trading range. So you can see here in the euro dollar, we have now even quite a big gap between fast and slow line on the stochastic oscillator. We're just around the resistance, 1.076. Bollinger Bands are pretty flat and narrow at this point. So again, consolidation. Dollar Mexican peso, we have like a 4 or 5 day consolidation, support at 105.30, and we have a resistance around 106 mark. Bollinger Bands start to contract. So far consolidation on different currency pairs, except this USD, which is really a strong one. So yen is pretty weak compared to the dollar, and this is the trend that we have in the last. So Bitcoin had a nice rejection. I spoke about this 64,000 mark, and there is a chance for the retest of peak bar low at 58,300 mark, and eventually 56,500 mark. You can see here that we're very decent section of declining Bollinger Band, which is our moving average. And look at the hourly time frame. This is where we switched. Once we had a break of this support on the hourly and then a natural pullback, the good structure for the downside continuation. So this is probably one of the best looking charts for the fresh idea. So the downside continuation. Pay attention to the Bitcoin. There is a chance for a further drop on the market. And we have a gold market still in the consolidation. Now it's rallying since this morning. So 2350 resistance, then we have resistance at 27. Very narrow Bollinger Band, pretty narrow at this point. The consolidation. So still watching for the breakout of this direction. Only if I can see the break of 2367 or 2380 and hold above, then there is a chance for a retest of 8. Other side, if we can break support at 22.5 or so, there is a chance for a downside movement. So far, still consolidation to play, and so far this morning we can see that buyers are trying to break this hourly consolidation. Will they hold or not? We will see. Aluminium is just in another consolidation, so many markets in a consolidation environment. 25.47 resistance. Bollinger Bands are contracting, so still waiting for the breakout on per direction. And we have a cocoa market. Seems like it's trying to. We have a break of this, more like a short-term resistance, so we can see the market can hold this breakout. I would like to see what kind of pullback we will see. If we have a narrow pullback, there is a chance for a rally towards 7 mark. That will be all for this daily FX Central market analysis. First, if you didn't visit our website, you can do that, so fxcentrum.com. FXC TV, you can explore technical analysis, different trading ideas and tutorials. You can become also introducing broker. You can learn more about that. Promotion, of course, 100% deposit bonus, guys. This is like a huge boost for your account, and you can open an account in just a couple of minutes, create a live or a demo account, and you'll be able to. So that will be all for this Central Daily Market Analysis, guys. Have a good trading day and speak.